Hello friends, today we will be discussing about the fish zone. Fish has described 4 zones for periradicular infection, and these zones are: first zone is zone of infection, then second is zone of contamination, then third is zone of irritation, and the last zone is zone of stimulation. So this is the root canal and which is infected, so here the bacteria will be present. So the zone of infection is the bacterial zone in which bacteria are present. Here the main cells are polymorphonuclear leukocytes are present, and in this zone bacterial, their toxin, these all things are present. Then second will be zone of contamination. As you can see, this will be the zone of contamination, the second zone. Here there will be toxin release from the bacteria. So here the cells present will be round cells. So here the bacteria itself is not present, but the toxins are released from the canal and they form the zone of contamination. Then third will be the zone of irritation. Zone of irritation is surrounding the zone of contamination, in which macrophages and osteoclasts are present. So here the toxin are more diluted, and here the repair starts. So the macrophages will destruct the bacterial toxins, and the osteoclast will leads to the bone resorption. Then the last zone surrounding the zone of irritation is the zone of stimulation. This zone is the last zone, and here the cells present are fibroblast and osteoblast. Here there will be collagen deposition. And there will be repairing process. So whenever any bacteria tries to enter from canal to the periradicular tissue, the polymorphonuclear leukocytes, which is the first line defense, they act on the bacteria and kill the bacteria, and thus forming the dental or periapical abscess. Therefore, bacteria are not directly present in the periradicular region, but their noxious products are present. So, root canal therapy will lead to the sterilization of canal, and thus the periradicular region will heal itself after the root canal therapy of the canal. Thank you.